Just like for a lot of other people, 2020 was a lot more work from home for me than ever before. And I pretty early started designing my home office workspace, and I wanted it to be a place of inspiration because a lot of the work I do is on social media, but also a place where you go to work and that's all it's used for. Like, that's my work nook, and then when I'm done working, I can walk away from it. Something else that was really important to me was to combine the hard elements with some soft elements. Like, you have like a little blanket. I am also one of those people who is still learning everything I can about organization, because sometimes my organizational skills lack. So I needed something to make it a little easier for me to organize. Most of all, I would just say have fun with it and include whatever you want to include. Nothing is wrong, nothing is right.